If you feel lazy every day, you're not alone. And there are real reasons behind it. We'll figure out what drains your energy, and you'll leave with simple fixes you can start today. Most laziness is actually fatigue, and fatigue usually has a cause. You can sleep 8 hours but still wake up tired if your sleep quality is poor. Late night scrolling keeps your brain active, and it makes falling asleep harder. An inconsistent bedtime confuses your body clock, and mornings feel rougher. Heavy meals late at night can disturb sleep, and you wake up feeling sluggish. Stress follows you to bed, and it can keep your sleep shallow. Start with one consistent sleep and wake time, and your energy stabilizes faster than you think. Dehydration can feel like laziness, and it makes your head feel heavy. Drink water soon after waking and don't wait for thirst to hit. If you drink a lot of coffee, balance it with water so you don't crash later. A sugary breakfast feels good at first, and then energy drops hard. That crash looks like brain fog, and you start craving more snacks. Add protein to breakfast, and you stay fuller and steadier. Skipping meals can backfire, and you end up overeating at night. Sitting all day makes you feel more tired, and your body gets stuck in low gear. A 10-minute walk boosts alertness, and it's easier than a full workout. If you can't walk, do light stretching and keep it simple. Morning sunlight helps your rhythm, and it makes nights easier too. Staying indoors all day can lower your mood, and energy often follows mood. Step outside for 5 minutes, and take slow, deep breaths while you're there. If you like this kind of content, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a quick energy boost. Mental overload looks like procrastination, and your brain avoids tasks to protect itself. Reduce the task to 2 minutes, and starting becomes less scary. Clean a small part of your workspace, and your mind feels less cluttered. Exercise doesn't need to be intense, and consistency matters more than intensity. Going to bed earlier helps recovery, and it improves your next day focus. Alcohol late at night disrupts sleep, and you feel it the next morning. Too many naps can ruin nighttime sleep, and the cycle repeats. Try a short midday walk instead, and save deep rest for bedtime. If you snore loudly, pay attention, and consider getting checked for sleep issues. Low iron or low vitamin D can drain energy, and blood tests can clarify it. Thyroid problems can affect energy, and it's worth ruling out if fatigue is constant. Depression and anxiety can feel like laziness, and support can make a big difference. Build a simple morning routine, and protect it like an appointment. Start with water and sunlight, and then eat a protein-heavy breakfast. Add a short walk after lunch, and watch the afternoon slump shrink. Pick one tiny task to finish daily, and your motivation starts coming back. Track your sleep for 3 days, and notice what time you actually fall asleep and wake up. Prep an easy breakfast the night before, and remove decision fatigue in the morning. Cut caffeine after lunch, and you'll sleep deeper at night. Eat a balanced lunch, and avoid the heavy afternoon slump. Keep your phone out of bed, and make your bedroom a sleep-only zone. You are not broken, and your energy can improve with the right inputs. Start small and stay consistent, and if nothing changes, get checked and ask for help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.